Paa, guys. Today we are cooking Adobong Paa ng Manok.
Alam mo?
Alam ko, guys. Alam ko. Adobong Paa ng Manok. So prior to this cooking, we have already boiled the chicken feet for 30 minutes. And don't forget to separate the chicken from the soup. After your pan is hot, put oil.
We put onion. A little bit of bawang.
And then you put the chicken feet. And then we add chicken cube.
The chicken cube.
Then we add black pepper.
Black pepper. The best pulutan in the Philippines. Is this spicy?
I think so.
There's no spicy. We'll add this.
The soup.
Is na asin, toyo lalagay ko.
Bah.
Silver swan guys from the Philippines.
And we wait 1 hour.
So it will pick up the meat will separate from the bone.
And we add MSG. Remember the previous video, tolong you play with the egg. So today video. Oh no! So small.
Small but I have 4 kids. It's a big. Dalawa may tapos wala siyang anghang. May parang walang anghang. 10 to 15 minutes and it's already here.
Add oyster sauce by the panda.
The panda. It's the best pulutan.
Yeah, really? Add vinegar.
Apple vinegar. Only some drop.
Right.
Because to make it balanced. Special.
Vinegar or vinegar?
Vinegar.
Vinegar. With all that soup that we start cooking with the chicken feet, you have to wait it until
Like this.
yes. This is the best condition when it's dry like this, and it's perfect already.
Finish.
Ready to serve.
Iman time.
Okay. Tikiman
Tikiman
time. This is Adobong Paa ng Manok. Oh.
Para siyang galit guys. Fork is not popular. You will use hands.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me test it.
The bone. Ang lambot. What do you think?
Malim
That's
nam nam.
spicy.
Hmm?
Did you taste the
No.
spicy?
No. Malim nam nam. When you cook it right, you cook it with the right ingredient, with the right recipe, the right taste, right flavor.
Very nice.
You will
Very
get-
masarap.
Yes, you will get the most delicious part out of that chicken.
Luto na rin kayo.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Alright,
Jump,
let's go.
jump. 1, 2, 3.